see. What is up, guys? I keep on resetting my device on accident. So this will be number 3 on the Rampage tuna door repair. I'm now loading this up still with fiber. So it's going to have at least 1.5 inches in some of it in this section, and then a good 3 inches back here. I imagine it's all wet. That's why they tore this out, but this would be funny. Try not to get any air pockets in there as much as possible. Alright, guys, so I've got this fiber fill. Maybe I should leave it. Peel a little bit of the bad out of the way. I've got this fiber fill on here. And that will do the trick to hold this all together. This is already drying. I kicked it pretty hot, a little extra hardener on there. I thought I had most of that off the tape, but what are you gonna do? Shit happens. This is all pretty solid in there, and realistically, this is all gonna be gel coated anyway. So I was just trying to save myself some work rather than save the gel coat from this stuff. So mission accomplished in that area. So, alright, this will dry overnight, and I will be back tomorrow to hit this with a grinder a little bit and probably add a little bit more. Probably a little bit less dense of a filler. This is all pretty leveled up. And I'll just match this right here. So I'll either hit it with like one layer of fiber, like some thin matting, 1 or 2 layers, or hit it with a little bit more of this stuff. Probably just hit it with some matting, smooth it out. But you know what I mean? So this will do for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. You get notifications of this and other jobs as they move along. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.